Okay, we're back. So that battery cover trick looks so good. Let's try that on the swing arm here. Of course, your swing arm. So that's what the battery cover turned out looking like. It had no chrome on it at all until we cleaned it. We use the same steel little tricks. We got the core stuff, probably single lot, and we got the quad out, which is super fine. This is pretty roughly corroded, so I'm going to hit it with the core stuff. It's like the core. Some kind of liquid, could be anything, soap, water, solvent, WD, your choice of stuff. Right thing, knock off the screws, the fitting. Get off pretty quick. A little bit rough on top, and the bottom is not really dry. Pretty thick right in here, but pretty good, pretty thick right here too. And you don't feel the titty sticking up in the crotch and move on. Rust is there. Oh, it's even got a chrome nut in here. Couldn't tell. Oh, it's not. Alright, let's see what that looks like there. Alright, there's the before and after. A lot smoother. I can still feel a little roughness over here, so I'm going to do some more. Here's what it started out as, a little rough looking. Quite a difference there between the two. So a little bit of work goes a long ways. Alright, let's scrub on that a little bit. I'll be back. Alright, clean up this swing arm here. Gone over it a couple of times. So you can feel the real roughness right here. When you go across your chrome, you just got them cleaning, and you still feel these titties sticking up. You go back over until it's smooth. Try to go over a couple of these spots 2 or 3 times to knock off the heavy stuff. So now we're down to a smooth finish. You can tell the chrome's already come back quite a bit. So once you get to that point, then you come back with the real fine stuff here, the quad out, and go over it again. So right now I still got to the back of the swing arm here. Got that doing all it does. It's going to take you a few minutes to do this, no big deal. Yeah, it's nice and smooth. A little roughness right there or something. I don't see it. Feel it right through there, it's a little rough. Got to feel it on that side. So right here it needs to be hit again a little bit. Even though I don't really feel it, see it. Feel right along that edge right there, smooth up here and smooth on the bottom. Then we got to go across this other side here. So let's go back over the area where it feels rough, right there. And knock it down. So your eyes will fool you. Liquid there. Chrome swing arm used to be a big deal back in the day, but not as popular these days. It's coming back. for a 72 sports we're going to put together, so I can't find the black cylinder for the bike. Just going to get this one. I had 3 or 4 of these to choose from, so this will look the best. And it had all the parts on it. I think that was going to work. Inside here you can't see it very much, so just take off the high stuff. Project to do while I'm waiting the air compressor to build up heat. That's my heater for the building in here. Pretty good. Alright, that's down pretty good. It looks pretty shiny now all over. The bottom side. Right side. Alright. Air compressor's building up. Up to 63 in here now. It's hot. Alright, I'll be back. We're going to switch over to 5 next. Alright, just finishing up the swing arm here. Using our quad on it now. Air compressor finally shut off. Alright. It's kind of like using fine sandpaper, just makes things a little smoother. But no, I'm not worried about scratching the chrome. So you can see how it tears up the steel wool. Tears this one up too a little bit, but oh well. Sacrifice. What's nice about this, if you miss a spot, just go back over it. Alright. It's a little rough right through there. We'll show you a little spot more. Probably in the chrome, but we'll see. So yeah, there's what it looks like. Pretty good. looked like pure crap. Before it didn't have any chrome and shine to it, so now it does. So get along the whole surface. So right here it's a little rough looking, but this is actually scratched in there pretty good. You can feel that it's not really sticking up in the air, so that means it's low spots. Can't fix low spots. Right here is high. You can see a little bit of corrosion right along that edge right there. So that you can take out with it. Go back across like that. Back over that just in case there's anything to be taken off there, but I know it's not, but try anyway. So that roughness is right there, now it's gone. And out there is still there. Feels a little smoother. So you can see right through here is a little pitting. Put my thumbnail on it. You can spend as long as you want doing all this. So this is not an area you're really going to see. This side over here you'll see more. Still not very much. See, the thumbnail doesn't catch on as much anymore. So, alright, there you go. Looks a little bit better than it did. Good enough for whatever we put it on. There you go.